Good morning, guys. We're out in Stone Creek, East over Fayetteville, North Carolina. We got a little dilemma that I made the executive decision on how we're going to proceed with this issue. This house does not have drip edge. They've got a little board all the way around. And the issue is there's no drip edge on the eaves, on the cornices, or other areas that don't have gutters. This is rotten, so we have two options. We can just replace those boards, which then it still won't match up in the cornice ends. Or we can take it off all the way around and put drip edge like they're supposed to be. The only issue is behind this board, it's not painted. So you know at Rodger That, we do whatever it takes to do the job right. We're gonna take everything off, we're gonna scrape it. It's just one of those things where, you know, it sucks on our end because it's going to take more money out of our pocket, but we agreed to do the job for a certain price, and we're going to do whatever it takes to make sure that it's done correctly.